Okay, hi everyone. So for today, we'll be starting our math drills. So our goal is to purchase 1,000 drills for mathematics. Okay, so of course, we'll be starting po with our basics. So we'll be starting with our pre-algebra fundamentals. So these are for all the people who wants to review for LAPT, civil service, or those students who want to review their skills with algebra. Okay, so we'll be starting with 5 questions. Okay, number 1, 15 plus 32 parentheses 56 minus 39. So for this one, we'll be using our GEMDAS or our PEMDAS. Okay, so again, GEMDAS stands for grouping, exponent, multiplication and division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so 15 plus 32 first, that is equal to 47 po. And then 56 minus 39, that is equal to 17. So multiplying 47 and 17, that is equal to 799. Answer for number 1, it's letter B. Next, number 2. What is the value of 65,715 divided by 4 rounded to the nearest thousand? So dividing 65,715 by 4, that is equal to 16,428. Okay, 16,428. But since they were asking for the nearest thousand, so that is 16,000. Letter B. Okay. Another way of solving this is by rounding off your 65,715 by the nearest thousand, which is equal to 66,000. And dividing that by 4, it will give us 16,500. Okay, wherein when you round it off, that will be 17,000. But on the choices that we have here, we don't have 17,000. And the closest will be 16,000, which is also letter B. Okay, number 3. Estimate the value of 7,404 divided by 74. So approximately 7,400 can be rounded off to 7,400. And then dividing it by 74, the quotient will be 100. Okay, answer for number 3, it's letter C. Next, number 4, we have 12 parentheses 84 minus 5 minus parentheses 3 times 54. So using the order of operation, we'll be computing first the quantities within each parenthesis first. Okay, so we'll have there 12 times 84 minus 5, that is equal to 79, minus 3 times 54, that is equal to 162. 12 times 79, that is 984, minus 162, which is equal to 786. Letter A. Answer for number 4, A, 786. Next, which of the following expression is equal to 60,802? So for this one, as you can see on the choices that we have here, those are expanded form. Okay, so first thing is know what is the value of 6 on our given whole number. And that 6 stands for 10,000. So it's either C and D, since A and B is 600 and letter B is 6,000, which is not already connected with 60,802. Okay, so next, let's go with 8. 8 is on the hundreds place, which is 800 in place value. Letter C is 80, so letter C is not the answer for number 5. So that will be letter D, 60,000 plus 800 plus 2. Wherein when you add that, that is equal to 60,802. Okay. Ayan, so that's all for today for our 5 questions. So later on, we'll be uploading another set for our 1,000 drills for mathematics. Thank you for watching.